BMW Group has announced a new investment of more than £600 million in the MINI factories at Oxford and Swindon. With this new investment, we will develop the Oxford plant for production of the new generation of electric Minis and set the path for purely electric car manufacturing in the future, said Milan Nedeljković, member of the board of management of BMW AG responsible for production. The Oxford plant is gearing up to build two new all-electric Mini models from 2026, the three-door Mini Cooper and the compact crossover MINI Aceman. By 2030, production will be exclusively electric, and the BMW Group will have spent over £3 billion on its Swindon, Hams Hall, and Oxford plants since 2000. This development has been supported by the UK government and will help to secure jobs at the Oxford manufacturing plant and at the body pressing facility in Swindon.